Hello everyone. Today we are going to cover how to create your own alpha channels within Photoshop. You might be asking, what is an alpha channel? Simply put, it determines what will be transparent in your image without modifying the actual image. It will determine each pixel's transparency where black is 100% not visible and white is 0% fully visible. It's also important to note that not all file types support alpha channels, so make sure that the file you are working with does support it. For DCS livery creation, we will be mainly working with PSD and DDS files, so you should be fine. Now let's get to work. Here we have the number file for the F5 livery that we have been working on in my live streams. First, let's try to use the default texture and export it with the NVIDIA Texture Tools exporter to generate an alpha channel. Now looking at it in the model viewer, you can see that there are some discrepancies in this output. The problems here are a combination of a bad texture, bitmaps, and the alpha channel. Moving back over into Photoshop, I have already created the numbers I want to use, and I have set the color I want the numbers to be as a new filled layer. Instead of using the numbers to create the alpha when exported, we will now create the alpha channel in Photoshop instead. First, create the selection that will be your alpha mask. I'll do this by control-clicking on the thumbnail of the layer that contains my numbers. Next, open the Channels tab and create a new channel. This will automatically create an alpha channel for you. Now press delete and it will create a mask from your existing selection. You can set the visibility of your channels as you prefer, but for me, I will turn the alpha off and turn the red, green, and blue channels back on. Moving back over to the Layers tab, you can see that all we have is a colored background. The alpha channel we just created will do the work of creating the numbers for us. Now let's export it as a DDS and see the results. After we have saved it, we can reload the textures in the model viewer and see that we have a much cleaner texture now. I hope this short tutorial is helpful in your livery creation. If you have questions, please leave a comment or contact me on Discord. Thanks for watching.